Zambia Rising, Dziko Likukwera, quite strong, we're moving on. Tikupita patsogolo. Zambia Rising, this is our time. From today to 25th to future yatu ya wala. Zambia Rising, Likukwera, Dziko Likukwera. Investments coming, doors opening wide. Moyo Africa, restoring our pride. From copper fields to city lights, Likukwera and Chito, building our lives. Oh, is inflation falling, things stabilize. Too much ikukula before our eyes. The world is watching, they can see Zambia rising in unity. Through the fire we made a way. Tupano tikuala every day. Zambia rising, Dziko Likukwera, quite strong, we moving on. Tikupita patsogolo. Zambia rising, this is our time. From today to 2050, future yatu ya wale. Tieni Likukwera and Chito, tieni timange Dziko. From the villages to the towns, we lift the Zambia up, we won't back down. Zambia, Likukwera, Dziko.